好，睇呢一篇閱讀理解啦，睇下個 instruction 先。Judy is looking at the notice board at the youth centre now. Judy 而家咧喺青年中心睇緊個告示板啦。She sees some profiles of pen friends. 佢見到一啲筆友嘅資料喎。She wants to write to a girl of the same age. 佢咧想寫信俾一個同佢一樣年齡嘅女仔。She's 11. 咁咧就應該係想揾個11歲㗎啦。She can only speak English and Cantonese. 咁咧阿 Judy 咧佢就淨係識得係講英文同埋廣東話嘅啫。She likes all kinds of sports. 而佢嘅興趣咧就係運動喎。Read the profiles of the children. 咁睇下咧下低呢4個細路嘅資料啦。Help Judy find the best pen friend. 咁幫佢揾一個咧筆友啦。Pen Friends Club 咁咧就有呢4個小朋友嘅資料，包括佢哋嘅 age 年紀、sex 性別、country 係來自咩國家咧 ，languages 語言啦 ，hobbies 就係個興趣啦。好，睇下條問題啦。Answer the following questions in complete sentences. 叫你咧係完整句子作答喎。好，咁就係長答啦。好，例子咧就係、Who wants to have a pen friend？ 問邊個想有一個筆友啊？咁就係 Judy 啦。所以咧完整句子作答，咁個 who 字呢一度咧就寫 Judy 就得啦。Judy wants to have a pen friend. Full stop。咁就完整句子答完啦。好，第一題啦。Is Judy at home now? Judy 而家係唔係喺屋企啊？咁梗係唔係啦。Instruction 已經講咗啦，佢喺青年中心。咁咧呢個係 is 開頭，即係答 yes 或者 no 啦。咁就答 no, comma Judy 咁就可以用個 she 字女仔她嚟代替啦。跟住寫翻 is not， 佢唔係，所以要加個 not 字啦。如果你唔想用 is not， 你用 isn't。都係可以嘅，跟住寫埋後邊嗰部分 at home now. Full stop. No, she is not at home now. 好，答完啦喎。第二題 How many profiles of pen friends are there on the notice board? 咁頭先睇咗啦，係有4張嘅嗰啲資料嘅。咁佢問你 How many 有幾多，咁就照答就得啦。咁用翻呢一個 There are 大階 T。There are 4 F-O-U-R profiles of pen friends。好，咁已經係可以噶啦，完整句子噶啦。呢個 on the notice board 啦，唔使答啦，而且都唔夠位。好，第3題 Can Judy speak 普通話？咁咧頭先講咗啦，佢係識英文同廣東話，唔識。佢冇話佢識講普通話喎，咁就係當佢唔識啦。的確係唔識啊，因為佢 only speak 嘅啫。好，咁所以就係 no。She 個 can 字就變成 can't 即係 cannot 啦。Speak 普通話 P-U-T-O-N-G-H-U-A full stop。好，第4題啦。Who will Judy write to？ 好，呢題要睇咯喎。究竟 Judy 會寫俾邊個啊？咁佢話想寫俾一個女仔喎。呢度女仔，所以 Peter 男仔啊 ，sex 係 male， 唔好揾佢啦。仲有呢個人咧，又係 male 啊，都係唔好揾佢啦。咁 female 得2個。好，咁啊一睇就睇到啦，因為啊 Judy 係11歲，所以佢必定係揾翻一個11歲噶啦。咁就係 Rachel Jones 就得啦。咁咧 Judy 就會寫信俾 Judy 即係 she 啦。She will write to Rachel R-A-C-H 睇下佢點轉先 R-A-C-H-E-L Rachel Jones。好，搞掂啦。Who doesn't like sport activities？ 咁應該係問呢4個人裏邊邊個係唔中意運動㗎？咁咧好，呢個人 Peter 佢係中意嘅喎，佢玩 karate 嘅喎，中意。Haida 咦佢冇喎，呢個人啊嚇，呢個人好大機會啊，睇埋先。Swimming、volleyball 係運動 ，football、ice skating 咁就係呢個 Hilda cool， 咁就照寫啦。Hilda cool doesn't 照抄 doesn't like 即係唔中意啦。Sport activities 由於要長答，所以就寫埋個活動啦。Sport activities 好，完成啦，做完啦。Goodbye class。